How to download DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, type DaVinci Resolve. Then from the search results, click on the DaVinci Resolve 20 website by the official Blackmagic design. Once you are there, scroll down and you will see the free download now button. Click on it. Now you will see various versions of DaVinci and operating systems. Choose Windows 86 for Windows under DaVinci Resolve 20 public beta. Make sure to choose the correct version for your device to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, you'll need to fill in some basic information like your name, email address, and a few other details which allows you to access the download link. After submitting the details, click on register and download. Then the download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software properly. After the installation finishes, you can open DaVinci Resolve and start exploring its powerful video editing features. And that's it. Now you know how to download DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.